Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni professional espresso machine. As you can see, we have a lot of parts in here at the table, so let's just jump right into it. We had to replace the group head sleeve. This one you see right here. You can see a really discoloration on the entire part as well as some cracks on it. We had to replace the gasket on this, and we have to replace the entire group head sleeve as well. We also had to replace the group head adapter. This goes right in the middle between the tank and the group head itself. This one, as you can see, is cracked from here to here, so we had to replace that as well. We also replaced these little 2 pins that were very worn out. We have to replace the other adapter. This one goes right here, and as you can see, it's almost completely warped. It's not on the original condition. It was just wobbling on the place. This lever was wobbling way more, and it was not allowing you to fully raise the lever. We also had to replace this whole assembly. This is basically this part that you see right here. This one had an issue. We tried to correct it. It was not pressurizing properly. It was as soon as the machine was getting up to 0.5 bar, a lot of steam will just come out through here and it will not close at all. It will close sometimes, it will not close, and it was just sticking a lot, so we had to replace the entire thing, unfortunately. This part over here is worn out, and this part over here as well, so we had to replace the entire thing. And we also replaced the gaskets of the machine as well. All these little gaskets are coming from the piston. This is from the piston itself. These two, this is from the group head. This is the old spacer that it had. We also replaced that. All the gaskets from the side glass, from the group head piston itself, as well as the side glass case and the side glass itself, which is right here. So we did a lot of work on this machine. We tested out the entire day as well today to make sure there are not any other leaks or any other issues with the machine. We also multiple times released the pressure entirely and reheat the whole machine, and we did not encounter that issue again with the steamer, the motion valve getting stick to it and not pressurizing at all. So we were able to fix that. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Hopefully I picked the right grind settings on this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now for manual machines, it's extremely important for you to grind and tamper your coffee very well, because as soon as you open this valve, a lot of water coming from the boiler, all this pressure right here is gonna shoot through this little tube, and if you don't have a properly packed coffee in there, you're just gonna see all that water shoot through the sides instead of actually pressurizing and extracting the coffee. So hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of the machine, otherwise you're gonna see your coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now you can hear this group head sleeve filling up, and unfortunately it's just coffee barely dripping. I wasn't able to tamper correctly, and I was using a much coarser grind. Gonna try that again with a much finer grind. Okay, this time I have a much finer grind, and hopefully we can see a nice espresso shot. Again, I'm gonna raise this lever. It's gonna fill out that chamber right here on the group head sleeve, and once it pressurizes, I can just slowly push this into the cup. It's gonna create pressure, and now it's gonna come out just like that. Forgive my camera movements, it's kind of hard to record and do this shot at the same time. As you can see, nice crema, excellent color as well, working perfectly fine. You can see that crema right there. Our steamer, have to get it. There you go. Gonna damage our shot. I'm gonna drink that. Our steamer, as you can see, steams perfectly. No leaks coming out from the side. anything like that. And the other one as well. And the pressure, keeping stable. So there you have it. La Pavoni Professional working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing my Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.